What a blessing it is to gather here today for this momentous occasion, the investiture of our master guides. This is not just a ceremony, but a testimony of dedication, commitment, and faith. Our theme, Rebuild the Altar, calls us to a deeper spiritual renewal. Just as Elijah restored the broken altar on Mount Carmel, we too are called to restore and strengthen our commitment to God, making Him the center of our lives and our service. Master Guide leadership is more than wearing a uniform and donning our insignias. It is a life devoted to guiding, mentoring, and serving with Christ at the core. To our candidates, today marks a new chapter in our journey. May this investiture remind us that true leadership begins at the feet of Jesus. Serve with humility, lead with love, and always seek to glorify God in all that we do. Once again, welcome everyone. May this program inspire us all to rebuild the altar of our hearts and commit ourselves fully to God's service. God bless us all.